Ingredients needed: nachos, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 2 medium avocado slices, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Wash your hands first before doing the procedure. Put the avocado, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, and the 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in the food processor, except the cilantro. Pulse until everything is mixed and the mixture looks smooth and creamy. Add the 1/2 cup of sour cream. Blend until it mixes all together and have a great smooth texture. Sprinkle the cilantro on the top.